Okay, what we're going to try and do here today is we've got a Pontiac Torrent 2007, and it's got a pretty bad wheel bearing. It's I'm pretty sure it's the driver's side, front left. So what I'm going to attempt to do here is let you hear the sound for those who are curious as to what a bad wheel bearing might sound like. So hopefully the microphone picks it up, because it is pretty loud. And it's going to sound like a growling sound. So in a moment here, I'll get out on the road and you should be able to hear this fairly well. It's actually started right there. Like I said, it'll sound like a growling sound. Or like I like to think of it is, it sounds like you're an airplane getting ready to take off with very noisy propellers. Okay, here we go. We'll get out on the main highway then. I'm not sure you could hear those little noises. There we go. We are ready for takeoff. And of course, the faster you go, the higher the sound gets. The actual procedure for changing these isn't that bad, but they can be a bit of a bear to get out, just due to road grime and everything. Alright, that should at least give you an idea of what might be wrong with your car. If it sounds like you've got airplanes following you around, or you're wondering what your growling is. And sometimes, in this particular car sometimes you can hear, feel it actually in your steering wheel and in the gas pedal, because this is a front wheel drive car. But I hope that's given you a little bit of information and maybe a little bit help diagnostically. And I wish you well on your repairs.